Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is your friendly Filipina Carpentera here in America. Tingnan nyo guys, so walang suklay. Yan ang trend dito, walang suklay. Anyway guys, am I still beautiful even if I don't comb my hair? Guys, puro.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Kasi may utang ito sa akin eh. You owe me something. Kasi alam nyo guys, I'm really feeling sad. Like I was kind of teary-eyed earlier because my husband is selling, Tagalog. Yung asawa ko, he's selling our...
But she called the realtor to list it for sale.
Yeah, because you were so stressed out and I asked you like, would it...
Because she got land already. Another new
would
land.
it lessen your stress? Kasi di ba namatayan kami ng mga pusa namin. We had two cats that passed away and he was like really stressed out. So I felt sorry for him. So I thought that, you know, I just kiddingly asked him, would it lessen your stress if he would sell the, what do you call that one? My brain is not working. Wala akong pamahaw, wala akong paniud to. Ay nako. But anyway, so itong taong ito, may utang ito sa akin eh. Kasi stressed out siya. I said, would it lessen your stress if we will sell the lake? And nagdo-joke lang. It was just a joke, guys. Like, because, you know, I thought he would say, no, because I know you love that lake, right? But he said yes. He said yes, guys. What? See, he said yes. And then, so I couldn't take back my words because I already offered it to him.
She already got another land that we had to look.
I had to get it because you are going to sell the... But anyway, guys, yung got another land na yan, utang yung guys. Kaya, I said, it's just... we borrowed that money. Also dito guys, utang din tayo pag may time, diba? But anyway, so ngayon magpipirmahan na kami kasi itong taong ito, bininta niya yung favorite land ko. Good thing I love you. I love this guy, but yeah, I was like teary-eyed earlier because I really love that land. But anyway, uslan mang sad ako. May pang magpa-red lips na lang talaga ako eh. Do you like my red lips?
Matches the shirt.
Yeah, para naman tayong pupuntang as if we're going to a ball or something. Look at my red lips. And yet I'm wearing a jersey. Like seriously, parang nawawala na talaga ako sa sarili ko guys. You know why? Because this guy sold my land. Huh. And what? What can you say? Ha? What? See, he has a big smile. He is selling my land, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Nagigilty. Ayaw mapakita sa camera. Hindi, guys. Mahal ko itong taong ito. Gusto ko lang inisin. But seriously, huslan mang mawala yung mawala yung mahal ko sa buhay. Ha? Parang tao. Mahal sa buhay. Lake na pwedeng magpagwapa na lang tayo. Ay nako, red lips pa rin ako. Ano ba yan? I need to get rid of this lipstick. Alam nyo guys, mag heavy makeup ka lang if it's nighttime, but if it's daytime, subtle makeup should be okay, right? Magpagwapa muna ako guys kasi baka akalain nila na wala akong panuklay. Totoo naman, pero hindi ko ipa-obvious, di ba? Ipakita ko sa inyo ang daan. Ibaling ko muna yung camera guys kasi mukha pa akong si mukha pa akong si Agatha. Pagbalik ng camera sa akin, mukha na akong si Phoebe Cates. So yan guys, habang nagpapagwapa ako as if guwapa, habang sinusuklay ko yung buhok ko, nagkukulitan kaming dalawa ng asawa ko. You marry me in the Philippines.
No, you keep adding stuff.
Like what?
You already said, oh, we'll get a necklace to replace this one.
Well,
I'll get my weed eater. I'll get...
It's you who lost my necklace. Hello. Guys, ayaw niya akong pakasalan, no?
Oh, you're...
Ayaw niya akong pakasalan. You promised me 10 years ago, 17 years ago, that we come here and then we'll stay for 10 years and then we go back to the Philippines to stay for 10 years and then back and forth, alternate every 10 years. Now it's almost 20 years, stuck up pa rin ako dito sa Amerika, my goodness. And now, I've been asking you to marry me in the Philippines for 17 years now. Wala pa rin, guys. Hindi ako pakasalan nila. Hindi ako pakasalan ng taong ito. Ano ba yan? I thought you said that I'm beautiful. Why wouldn't you marry me? Nakasal na kami, guys, 17 years ago. Almost 17 years ago. Kaya lang, iba talaga yung kasal dyan sa atin, di ba? Kaso lang itong asawa ko, parang natatakot ata magpakasal. Kitikutin ko kaya ito. Giuseppe. Giuseppe. Giuseppe, you owe me, remember?
It's a bad.
No, it's not bad. Giuseppe. Remember, you can do it.
Muto.
Muto. Oh, pakita ko na sa inyo kasi natapos na yung suklay ko. Lang, superficial lang suklay ba? Kasi ang buko, guys, ba nalarot siya pag palagi kong i-force kong magsuklay. Alright, presenting. 10, 3, 2, 1. Presenting to you the Viana. Pangit pa rin, guys. Kala ko mukha na si Phoebe Cates.
Phoebe Cates?
Yeah, I thought I looked like Phoebe Cates. Ha! In my dreams. Wait a minute. Where is my eyeglass? Tingnan nyo, guys. Hindi ko na makita yung eyeglass ko. Hindi ko na makita yung ano ko. So, didn't you promise that you will marry me? Ayaw talaga, guys. Oh. Tikutin ko talaga ito pagdating ng panahon. Bakit kaya pag ganitong angle, guys, I look fat? Hindi naman ako masyadong fat pag in person, ha? Fat, parang hindi dabihan. Fat talaga ako, guys. Like, seriously, taas nga yung weight ko. Parang sumuko na yung weighing scale. Guys, kahit anong paganda, guys, wala pa rin. Ay, nako.
Alright, where is this now?
I don't know. So, later on tonight, we are going to treat our friends to dinner. And so, with my sister and my, yeah.
Oh, where is it? Priority help.
Nandito na kami.
I don't know which one it is. Already that.
Nandito na kami. Hey.
I should have worn my red shirt today.
Huh?
I should have worn my red shirt today.
They lost. Oh, the last time they fought was.
We went to a game last week and she got that just for the game. But then they lost that because they've been losing a lot recently.
In as much as I love the lake that we bought years back, happy pa rin ako kasi yung nakilala namin yung mga buyers, Christians pala sila. So, okay na din. Kaya lang ito ako, wala talaga akong kain. Yeah, wala pa akong pamahaw, paniud to. Kaya guys, huwag kayong magpagutom at baka kayo magkaganito din. At kayo ay magkapas mo pareha ko. Tingnan mo, ha? Wow! Joke, joke, joke. But anyway, my husband treated me to a nice lunch. We are here in IKEA, at IKEA, and ano kaya ang kukunin ko dito? Alin ang naiiba. Diba, ano kanta yan sa Batibot noon? Ay, I miss yung mga kabataan na TV, presentations every Saturday. Batibot! Alright. Alright, andito na naman kami sa IKEA, one of my favorite stores. This is nice. I'm glad that the weather is okay. And guys, look at the watch that I'm sporting. Yes. Ta-ding! My kitty cat. Isn't that beautiful? And then, with matching that, I also have a ta-ding! Kitty cat ring. Isn't that amazing? So, bagay siya, diba? And look at the food that my husband got. Meatball from Denmark. Salmon, rice, and veggies. Rainbow cake. And lastly, binilha ko ng asawa ko ng bonsai na plant. So, I will show it to you later. But anyway, thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.